Hey Mary, why you are worried?
I have delayed all the housework since morning. Now I have to finish everything.
Word for the day is procrastinate. Welcome to English Vocab. Let learning be your daily rhythm.
Hey Bob, have you completed the work? Today is the deadline.
Not yet, Shane. I thought it would be an easy task, so I procrastinated. Now I'm facing some unexpected issues.
The word for today is procrastinate. It's a verb. Procrastinate means to keep delaying something that must be done, often because it is unpleasant or boring. Instead of doing the task right away, push it to a later time. Let's learn some examples. Instead of studying for his exam, he procrastinated by watching TV. He procrastinated on fixing his car for weeks, and now it's broken down.
I always procrastinate when it comes to doing my laundry, and now I have no clean clothes left.
Hey Mary, why you are worried?
I have delayed all the housework since morning. Now I have to finish everything.
Mary, you should not procrastinate on your housework. Procrastination is a bad habit.